All right, everyone. In this video, I sent a challenge to myself. Can I create the perfect YouTube thumbnail in seconds, in under 1 minute, 59 seconds, I'm going to say, using ChatGPT? Challenge accepted, and we're going to find out right now using one of my ChatGPT Plus prompts called Visualize It, Your Path to Perfect Images. You can see, you can read it, and you can check it out on the link below in the video description box. And also, I'm giving away a free YouTube video editing guide. The link's going to be directly below. I highly suggest you pick it up. And there's also going to be a 1 hour free video that shows you how to create undetectable ChatGPT content that ranks, that goes along with it. So you're going to get a lot of valuable tools for free. The link to that will be directly below as well, and I'll show it to you at the end of this video. So with that being said, let's dive in and see if I can create the perfect YouTube thumbnail in under 60 seconds. So right now we're on my prompt. I've got a prompt set up somewhat like a little one that just shows you, it's from my last video I created, and it was about AI YouTube video publishing time, how to speed up your YouTube video publishing time. Now I'm going to create an AI model for that video, which I already did, but this is just for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to show you what it comes up with. So are you ready? Let's start this timer. I think it's at 1:40 right now. Go. Let's see what happens. You got step 1, vision and purpose. Step 2, theme and branding. Step 3, style and detail. Step 4, technical specifications in 1080p. It's digital, optimized for YouTube. It's hyper realistic. Here's a prompt that Dolly came up with for me, and we're going to create it and see what happens here. See how good it is. And this is just using ChatGPT Plus and my Visualize It prompt. Look how good that was. Bam, done. I want to mess around a little bit more, but that is not too bad. It gives me exactly what I wanted. Speed up your YouTube video publishing time. It actually spelled correctly, which is awesome. I ain't got to mess with that no more. If I want to make another one, all I do is make it classier looking and make the AI model as realistic as possible. As, not as. Realistic as possible. Okay, let's hit it. Let's hit enter again. Let's see what it comes up with. So if you got ChatGPT Plus and you're creating anything on YouTube, you want to create blog posts, featured images, pictures for your blog, use this prompt. It's pretty good. Speed up your YouTube video publishing time. That's another good one. It's got wow. And then all you got to do is mess with this, but it makes very good pictures that you can use for your YouTube thumbnail. So what you do now, say I wanted to use this one, and I'm going to show you some other ones I created as well. I'm going to download this one. That's done. And I'm going to take that over. I'm going to show you how to convert that into JPG format, because the formatting they use on ChatGPT is not one of the formatting YouTube accepts. It's like web something, but YouTube doesn't allow that formatting, so we got to switch it. It literally takes 30 seconds. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then I'm going to go over to this other one here. I think this is the right one. I got so many prompts opened up. Let's see here. Not the right one. We're going to try this one. Boom. These are some other ones I came up with. This was really good. Very attractive. And you see I'm on the same prompt. I like that one a lot. So we're going to download that one. We got this one. Very nice. This is very, very good too. YouTube. Save time with YouTube. And you can see it's even spelled correctly. This one's nice. This one, I don't really care for that one too much, to tell you the truth. This one's cool looking. This one's cool looking. Now the reason I did this, if you're on YouTube any amount of time, you always see like some, it could be the real picture of the guy or girl that has a YouTube channel, and she's got that wow expression, or he's got that wow expression on his face, pointing or something like that. So this is kind of giving that same look to your YouTube videos, and you don't have to be on the video if you don't want to. If you want to be on it, even better. But if you don't, this is your next best bet. And you're gonna. And I'm creating AI models, obviously, because you're gonna get people looking at them. It's like, oh wow, that's a pretty AI. Let me click on it. You know, you're gonna get more clicks doing something like that, emulating what the other big name YouTubers are doing, so you get more clicks on your videos. So that's my reasoning behind this. But this is all the different YouTube thumbnails I've created using this. So now what we want to do is we're going to create this in a JPG format using a free tool. So all you got to do, there's a million free tools out there. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. I got this one window open here. Let's go. Turn picture into JPG. Any of these will do. They're all free. There's a whole page full of tools. I'll just go to the first one here. What you do is you choose your file. One we just downloaded. Hit start. And you want the best quality. We're going to go up to 100%. Hit start. We're good to go. Now we're going to wait for it. It should come up in about 5 seconds, literally. And now we can preview it. And there's our thumbnail for YouTube in the correct formatting. That looks really good. I like that one. And so there you go. You created a thumbnail in literally under 60 seconds. Now, obviously, if you want to do more than one, it's going to take you a little longer than that, but it's going to be quick. It's going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to save you some money. So keep that in mind. Just so if you got a ChatGPT Plus subscription, check out my prompt. You'll like it. And we're going to go back here. Now, all you do is click download, and it downloads, and it's in JPG formatting. Now all you can do is upload this to YouTube. You're done. We're going to go back to ChatGPT here, and I'm going to go over to this. Show you the prompt one more time in all its glory. This is it right here. That's my name. Like I said, link's going to be directly below. And I wanted to end this video showing you my free giveaway. And it is right here. Instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI. Free PDF to the top tools. Unlock the secrets to stunning YouTube videos with our comprehensive AI editing guide. Improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. You're also, let me use my trusty little pen here on my editing tool here. You're also going to receive exclusive bonus training. This is really good. It's an hour video. You're getting 1 hour of jam-packed insights with AI writing secrets exposed, creating irresistible content with ChatGPT that ranks. So just let me know your favorite email address, and I will send that over to you as soon as possible. So we're going to get rid of this, and then we're going to go up here. And that's it, though. Link will be directly below to this free ebook. Link will be directly to the free ebook and the free video training. And the link to this my prompt here is going to be the first link directly below as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you got any questions about anything, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. Hit the thumbs up button. It helps me out a lot. I'd really appreciate it to help grow my YouTube channel and bring you more, great little tutorial videos to help you out. And if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'd really appreciate that as well. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope I offered some valuable tips in here, and my prompt helps you out when you're creating your next picture or YouTube thumbnail or featured blog post image for your next content creation project. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.